appliance repair PPC strategies that generate a low $10 lead cost. All day long can you get leads for your appliance repair company doing the strategies I'm going to go over in this video. And for the $10-ish lead cost range, which I'm going to also go over the lead cost, but also the closing rates on the leads, also the ROI on the leads that you should get. If you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to cover that as well. You have the exact formula to do these numbers for yourself in your own market.